Seoul. Oh my gosh, this one's the cutest. 고양이 놀이터.
16 is the beginning.
That one cat has his legs spread out. We arrived at Namdaemun Market. Good morning.
Hello,
It is day 1 in Seoul. We just got out of our Airbnb and then we're planning on just walking around Itaewon, which is where our Airbnb is situated. We're in Korea, everybody, look at these. This is the main street of Itaewon. It's 26 degrees today and I'm the only one wearing shorts and short sleeves. Everybody here is wearing long sleeves and long pants. To count in Korean, there's 2 ways. First way is il. Say it. Il, I, 3, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
Okay, you have to go slower because I already forgot the first 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5.
I was gonna say Roku, but that's
That's Japanese. 6. 7 is 7.
Cheap. Okay.
8,
Wait.
9,
9,
10.
10.
You want to say 11 is 12, 就叫11.
Wait, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Wait, you have to say that properly because if you say yeah.
Wait, how do I? 10, 18,
18.
18, 19, 10,
20, 20.
아, 20.
70.
Nice cake.
I've been winning like I found the perfect cheat code. Social distance, shawty, don't get close to people. Had a lot of problems, but I
We got the
I've been on a quest so big to wipe out legal. Switch it
the
up, take it slow. Bring it back, bring it back. Let 'em know, let 'em know.
what did you think about it?
It was okay. I mean, the dumplings were pretty good, but the noodle
Noodles
was,
was okay.
Let it go, babe. Back on the grind. Don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong. I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind. Don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong. I'ma be alright, cause
We're gonna go to Daiso to get some hand soap. You can eat dessert with this. Eat yogurt with this.
Is this final?
This is 2,000 though.
Okay.
Get this.
Sure.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. This is so cute. And it's so fluffy. Touch it. Oh my gosh, this one's the cutest. This is a sweet potato, I think. I really like this one.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, it's so cute. Among Us stickers. This is my heaven. Maybe I won't be able to leave. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I did the deed, guys. I took too many, but it's okay. They're all very cute. Hello, say hi.
Why me?
Say hi.
안녕하세요.
We're gonna go to the plane right now. We just got our SIM card. So we have data access and a phone number now.
wait, 남자 is girl?
여자
No, you're a 여자친구.
Any nice 여자친구s that are Korean, hook them up.
Oh,
Thanks,
yes.
great help, my guy, great help.
His name is
Shut up, no.
Shinu.
No.
What is your
Pop.
Park Shinu. He's currently 21. Yes.
Young, unlike her.
We have arrived where we will be doing most of our shopping. So I got these two. They're a bit expensive, like $8 per pair, but since I'm gonna be wearing it a lot of the times. Let's go. 고양이 놀이터. Oh my goodness, you're all so cute. Oh shit.
Shut up. Ah, this is
I feel
scary.
very cozy. Justement, Marudo.
Moi j'ai mal aux jambes. Tabarnak, vous êtes vieux. Moi j'ai mal aux pieds.
Toi aussi t'es vieux alors.
Pieds. Aujourd'hui il y a des chiens.
Oh, maman, I see one.
Tabarnak.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Put your bags in this because they might pee on your bag. So it is 12,000 per person, and you can get any kind of drink you want. Yeah, there's no
Long
time limit.
Is it because it's warm?
They're so cute. So many cats in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holy crap. Oh my god, you are so cute.
What did you get?
Sweet potato racket.
Mine is better.
You want to stitch this one?
Bye-bye.
Aww. 再见.
I think they're getting food, so. Look, that one cat has his legs spread out.
Beginning of the week, I think.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. 16 is the beginning.
Next week you're busy.
After the break,
When do you think is the best time to go?
probably like midweek, right? Like Thursday maybe.
But it's hard to keep. Switch it up. Take it slow. Bring it back. Let 'em know. Bring it down to the flow. Pick it up. Let it go. Switch it up. Take it slow. Bring it back. Let 'em know. Bring it down to the flow. Pick it up. Let it go, baby. Back on the grind. Don't shake my shine. You can do me
So
wrong.
cute.
I'll be alright, 'cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while.
Taking a break because she's tired.
My back hurts.
We are on our way to
Namdaemun Market.
that.
We're gonna meet up with Shinu. He left earlier to an appointment, and we're gonna meet him there again. Gonna get some street food as supper. We arrived at Namdaemun Market, gate number 6. Everything looks closed.
I think the store is starting to open now.
Yeah. Are we too early? Is that why?
I have no idea what time. No, I genuinely don't know like when you're supposed to come here. I feel like this is the time.
And it's Friday night too.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe
Maybe
it
we're
opens
too
later.
early.
I have no idea.
Or maybe we're too late.
No way.
No.
This is supposed
They're
to be like
always
it's,
open
yeah,
till
exactly,
very late.
Hella dark. Yeah.
Eat here. For duck. It looks beautiful. Bon appetit.
Try it without sauce.
Yeah?
It's really good.
There's like a fire taste to it.
I don't know, but
Ordered a honey hot dog. They only had one left. You want to try a bite?
Apparently people do close late. It's just the corona. Ever since corona, people started closing early because there's not a lot of customers. Yeah, just cut out my audio in this part, please. Thank you. I don't want to make it depressing. Is it as good as you expected? Yeah? Sam, it's your turn. Go try.
He's tired. He's just tired. Here, your turn.
That's it? Alright, my turn.
oh wait, the honey's really good.
Is it good?
Oh wait, it's
Where-
really good actually. When you start,
You want more now?
see, this is the one. This is the food I want. Like,
Is it better than this?
No.
is it?
It's way too. It's really different. It's really hot. It's really hot. Put it on the. Grab it on the paper.
Wait, it's empty inside.
But try it. It's really like airy.
Sorry.
We made the two most like unappetizing bites.
You don't taste it as much in the beginning, but after.
This one is more strong. This one is lighter. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. We're a bit tired, so we're gonna head back to the Airbnb. That hot dog was like
That was really good. I wasn't expecting it. Like when I
He didn't want a bite.
when I first when I took my first bite, I was like, I mean, it's alright. But then the honey, well, whatever was inside, brown sugar or honey, hit me. I was like,
Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye.